Welcome back to Bloom. Did you know the country's first legitimate holistic urgent care and holistic primary care is located right here in the Tampa Bay area in St. Pete? Joining us now to discuss holistic urgent care are Dr. Garner and Dr. Teekell-Taylor of Docs Outside the Box. Welcome back to Bloom, doctors.
Thank you, Gayle.
It's good to see you guys. So what exactly is holistic urgent care and how is it different from like a typical walk-in clinic?
That's a good question, Gayle. Holistic urgent care gives you all the benefits of a regular walk-in clinic, plus you're exposed to so many additional treatment options. It is important to understand that you as the patient are always medically supervised while under our care, but you're taught about and you get to choose between alternative and conventional treatment options.
Or maybe even a combination of both.
Absolutely.
That's good to know. So can you explain when a patient walks in, how exactly does it work?
So let's pretend you have a urinary tract infection, or at least you think you have a urinary tract infection. You call our office, we'll fit you in that day. The same thing that happens at all urgent cares, which is standard of care. We will dip the urine, send it out for culture, talk to you about antibiotics. But if we feel it's safe and the infection is not in the kidneys, then we will give you the option to clear the urinary tract infection with herbals. Based on your choice, we'll determine how we track you. So if you choose the alternative option, we'll ask for a urine sample every 2 weeks until the infection is clear. If you choose antibiotics, that's standard of care in this country, and it's over. We'll see you next time.
That's really cool. And it sounds that you guys are so hands-on, which I know you are in your practice, that this is safe and effective.
Oh, absolutely. We are held to the same safety standards as any medical practice, but we find our way to be very effective because we're able to offer so many treatment plans and options.
And how does someone make an appointment if they want to get this done?
You just call our office and make an appointment. You can walk in, but we prefer for you to call so you don't have to wait.
And yeah, I've been out to your offices. They're really great. And you guys also specialize in working with children as well, which I think is really important to point out.
Yes, Joy, we really enjoy the children. We call it kids outside the box.
And they can come in with their adult parents, obviously, and you basically treat the entire family.
The entire family, from birth to all the way to the end.
And I know this is like a service where each individual patient is exactly that. They are their individual case, because a lot of times you walk in, it's the same script for everybody, but you really take time to meet the people that you're helping.
Absolutely. This is not knee-jerk, cookie-cutter medicine. This is individualized medicine, and the patient is allowed, given proper guidance, to choose.
That's really good to know. That's really good to know, because you want to have a relationship. I think now more than ever, the key is having a relationship with your doctor. And the more they know about you and the more they know about your case, the better they can help get you well again.
Absolutely. We know whole families. We know who they're married to. It's wonderful to watch them all grow up together.
And people must really love this idea, and this is really exclusive to here in the Tampa Bay area, of having this holistic approach where you kind of are in the driver's seat alongside your doctor and making decisions together.
Yes, and we find patients are really eager and ready for that kind of approach. People do want to do what their doctor says, but a lot of times they leave the office with so many questions and they don't feel like they got those answered.
Yeah, well, it's great that the two of you are right here in our area. I know your practice is bustling, and thank you so much for joining us on Bloom today.
Thank you.
Awesome, Gayle. Thank you.
And you can definitely reach out to Docs Outside the Box and Kids Outside the Box, which are located in St. Petersburg. The number to call is 727-498-8898, or you can visit online at docsoutsidethebox.us. We'll be back with more Bloom right after this.
The preceding portion of Bloom was sponsored by Docs Outside the Box and Kids Outside the Box.